Please listen to the following alert as your life may be in danger. This alert is active for the region of East KI. An organized massacre and riot is being put in place in many counties and cities, most notably Kitty City. These organized attacks can put your life at risk. If you see these riots happening, do not participate. Do not approach and call 999 immediately, or if a safe roadway or parkway is available, use it to flee the area. KI military personnel and weapons are being taken to Kitty City to end the massacre. Please follow all given precautions. Warning system sign off 126.